geocachers, this is William here. I am right in a reserve around West Midlands Safari Park. See a car that's going by some rhinos over there. And if we're lucky, we might even see a steam train. Can you hear anything? I think we can. Hope we can hear a train. That'd be brilliant. I can hear one. It's coming. That is brilliant. This cache is right. This position, I'm going further back. They call this thing is going backwards. Sometimes they go backwards. Here we go. Oh, it's going forwards. Look at that. Brilliant. People waving, go away. Ain't that cool? Because the cache is called SVR Severn Valley Railway. There's a sign here that says beware of trains. You have to be careful crossing this railway track because it can be quite dangerous. I guess that's like a little forest there. So I was thinking I was going to see some lions right over there. And I say, this geocaching looks good. It's a bit of fun. Well, that's quite good. So, that is it for today. And if you want to do more geocaching, come and have a go. I think you're clever enough to leave a comment. We'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day.